Erin here from $5 Dinners, and I'm going to show you how to cook bacon in the oven. First, you need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees and then place a piece of foil onto a lined baking sheet and then pull up the edges of the foil to keep the grease from spilling onto the baking sheet. Add as many pieces of bacon as you can fit into the foil and then put into the oven, and you will bake anywhere between 23 and 25 minutes depending on the thickness of the bacon slices. I also find that the bacon on the bottom rack cooks faster than the bacon on the top rack. Once it is done to your likeness and crispiness, you will take it from the oven, use some tongs to put it onto a plate with some napkins or paper towels to drain the grease, and then you can see that there is no grease on my baking sheet, no mess cooking the bacon. Then you can serve your bacon with your favorite breakfast or breakfast for dinner.